Right, now I want to look at another form of factorization, which I believe is the most popular. You will meet this one in exams, in tests, and things like that. Okay, let us say, for example, we have an equation like this: x squared plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. And they say, so for x, just a reminder, the equations might be a little more complicated than this one, but this one will work just fine for this purpose. Okay, we might have a 2x here, 3x, 5x here, but I'm going to give you a way which will work no matter what the coefficient of x squared here, or 2x is here, or what is here. All right, so what you need to do is simple, is to find two numbers, two factors of, here we have the coefficient of x squared is 1, and here we have a minus 3. So 1 multiplied by minus 3, we have, let me just write it here, we have a minus 3. Right, having this minus 3, we have to find the factors of minus 3, which will give us plus 2 if we add them. So what factors do we have here? We have minus 1 and 3. We have 3 and we have minus 3 and positive 1. Then those are the factors of minus 3. So which of these will give us a 2? It's as simple as minus 3 minus 1. 3 and minus 1, these are the factors which will give us a 2. Then we replace this 2 with those two factors, 3 plus minus 1. Remember, 3 plus minus 1 is, it will give us negative 1. So 3x minus x, if you look at it, it's just 2x replaced here. Minus 3, we already have the minus 3. From there, it becomes easy to factorize. The first two terms, we factor out x, we have x plus 3. We factor out minus 1, we have x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then from there, if we factor out x plus 3 here, what do we have here? We have x and minus 1. From here, you are back from the last part, which was simple factorization. Here we just have either this one is equal to 0 or this one is equal to 0, like what we did here. From there, it becomes easier. We just put this one on the other side. So this one is the easiest form of, so I was saying this one is the easiest form of factorization. Right, so I think we're done here with factorization. Even if you have a 2 here, let's say we had a 2 here, we're just going to say 2 multiplied by minus 3, we get a minus 6. We'll look for factors of, if you can't find the factors, it means that we have to use the quadratic formula or some other methods. But you can't factorize if you don't have the factors, which will the two factors which will multiply to this one. Thank you, and please subscribe to our channel to see more videos.